Hello there, beautiful people. I do a horrible Irish accent, which is weird considering that I'm 65% Scottish Irish. But anyways, today I am doing a St. Patty's Day look for you guys because we all know St. Patty's Day is around the corner and I celebrate St. Patrick's Day every single year. I have since I was little because, you know, got the Irish heritage. So St. Patrick, if you didn't know, is actually a missionary that came to Ireland and spread Christianity upon the land. So little history lesson for you guys. Let's get into the video and let me show you some pot of gold. Real quick, I did want to say, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, please turn on those post notifications because every time I post, you'll get a ding, 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 and you know when I'm posting. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, let's get right into it. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed doing this look. And I just wanted to show you guys my little pins that I have. It's great to be Irish, pot of gold. Yeah. I hope you guys have a fantastic St. Patrick's Day and stay you, stay cute, stay beautiful. And I will see you in my next video. You guys, I already took like my lashes off and stuff because I went to go train a client after my video. But I mean, how weird and crazy is it that she gives this to me on the day that I film my St. Patty's Day video?